Okay, this is so awesome. I am looking forward to this, and I'm super excited to be partnering with you to bring something new to market.
Well, thank you so much for having me, and I'm honored and humbled into creating delicious healing recipes with your fascia sweeteners that are incredible
That's
and
awesome.
genius. I've been experimenting and I love it. I came up with this recipe, which is a custard vanilla tart. Crust is made out of almond flour, arrowroot powder.
Yeah.
It has 2 tablespoons of coconut oil and a dash of water, and that's it.
That's it.
And then the custard, it's made with coconut milk, coconut creamer, vanilla extracts, and your amazing sweeteners, the arrowroot powder, and our incredible
PowerCurc30.
PowerCurc30, yes.
Yeah, so you know it's interesting because it has all the benefits of curcumin, but then it's 100 times stronger than normal curcumin. It's literally clinically trialed, studied, patented, and you can actually tell people clinically that these are demonstrated from a scientific point to heal the body.
Well, you and I are making a delicious custard tart together. So we're gonna make the filling.
Okay.
This custard will give us about 5 slices, but you could do 5 capsules of those.
Most people would report after taking one, relaxation, mental clarity, increased vision. These are all things that'll happen from this.
That's incredible.
So yeah, we'll get these in non-pill format.
Now we're gonna do 5 tablespoons of the sweetener.
Fascial Sweet is an amino acid-based sweetener. It's a 0-calorie. But what it does uses glycosides, and the ones that we use in particular, they just happen to help regulate blood sugar.
Wow.
So it's about 4 times sweeter than sugar, and it regulates blood sugar, so that when you eat it, it's actually helping your body process, not putting it into a sugar spike. I got to give credit to Franco, who invented also the PowerCurc30. What we were doing is saying there's the pharmacology isn't bad. It's the use of it that has been misused. So it's taking active ingredients and using them for a specific cause, putting them back into natural sources.
And a lot of times with baking and also cooking, you go with your intuition. You could just go, yeah, you're doing great.
Okay.
I can't believe, what an honor. You're baking for the first time with me.
Yeah.
Yay! A conscious healing cooking show.
Conscious healing cooking show.
Yes.
Yeah.
Welcome to a life of a baker.
Life of a baker, yeah.
Yes. Low heat, not a boil. You're just mixing until it thickens. Okay, so it's ready. You see this?
Okay.
Woo!
Oh my gosh.
I love it.
Typically what I'll find is that if I eat something made with Fascial Sweet or I drink Fascial Sweet at dinner, I have no energy to pack.
Incredible.
Yeah, it's really cool.
That's amazing. Sweets that heal.
Sweets that heal?
Yes!
Appreciate you.
Oh, so grateful for you.